Hello children, welcome again to another class of English grammar for class 4. Today we will be doing adverb and we will be discussing adverb of frequency. What do you understand by adverb of frequency? Frequency comes from the word frequent. So let us see what an adverb is. An adverb of frequency tells us how often, how many times an action took place, and these words are repeated or used to indicate repeated actions, something that is done very often. Now what does it answer? It answers the question how often, means how many times. Here I have written some examples. Like seldom. I seldom go to the market. I am never seen outside the office. I always help others. I go to the zoo monthly. I often pay my fee on time. So these are some words used in sentences that tell us about adverb of frequency. So let us look at the examples that I have written over here. We have to underline the adverb of frequency. So what will we do now? We will first of all look for the verb. We pay the fees monthly. So what do? We pay. So pay becomes adverb of, pay becomes the verb. And what do we pay? We pay the fees. But how often do we pay the fees? That's the question to ask. How often do we pay the fees? We pay the fees monthly, means every month. Next one, the postman comes daily. So who comes? The postman, that is your subject. What does the postman do? He comes. And the question to be asked is, how often does the postman come? So we get the answer, daily. The postman comes daily. The next example is, I am never late for school. So how often are you late? That's the question. How often are you late for school? I am never late for school. That's the adverb of frequency. I play tennis occasionally, means sometimes. So what's the verb in this? The verb is play. And you play what? Tennis. How often do you play tennis? I play tennis occasionally. So occasionally becomes the adverb of frequency. She is often late. What is she? She is late. But is she always late? How often? She is often, means more. She is often late. So often becomes adverb of frequency. So what were the adverbs we took out? Or the adverb of frequency that we took out? Monthly, daily, never, occasionally, often. These were the adverbs from the sentences and they belong to adverb of frequency. I hope children you have understood the 4 different kinds of adverbs that we have learned in this chapter. Thank you.